Have a PHF file from iNet Clear Reports and need to access its content? This is a phone book file from a business reporting system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these iNet Clear Reports phone book files. Here's a professional insight. For those PHF files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. A PHF file is a phone book data file created by iNet Clear Reports, a Java-based reporting and business intelligence platform. Users encounter this file when they export or save contact lists from the software. The primary user intent is to access, view, or import this contact information into other applications. The PHF format is a proprietary structured data file, likely in a binary or delimited text format, designed for efficient storage and retrieval of contact records within the iNet Clear Reports ecosystem. This design ensures data integrity and quick loading for reporting tasks, but sacrifices broad compatibility with standard address book applications. The PHF format has primary linkage to the iNet Clear Reports application by iNet Software GmbH. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows offers no interpretation of complex data schemas, so the right application is essential. Begin the search for the correct application handler. Right-click the PHF file and choose Open With. Use iNet Clear Reports first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn file errors. If your PHF file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. General troubleshooting won't work on this PHF file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, opening in iNet Clear Reports. Install iNet Clear Reports from iNet Software, and use the designer or administration interface to open and edit PHF files. The application provides proper editing tools for managing contact entries and distribution lists used in report scheduling and delivery workflows within the platform. Next, viewing in text editors. Open PHF files in a text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to inspect the format. If the file uses XML or plain text encoding, contents will be readable, allowing manual review and possibly editing. Make backups before modifying since incorrect changes may break iNet. Clear Reports functionality. Finally, migrating contact data. Export contact information from PHF files using iNet Clear Reports export functions to CSV or other standard formats. Migrate the data to modern reporting platforms like Tableau Power BI or Microsoft SSRS that have their own distribution mechanisms for delivering reports to organized recipient groups. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.